Avocados are incredibly versatile. You can harness the power of this healthy fat in so many incredible ways, but what I've done here is I have made a waffle batter. Woo, a little bit of smoke there. And I've used the avocado for the fat. I've made it much like you would make a traditional waffle batter, except I have whipped my egg whites and folded them in to give me a much lighter and airy waffle. So we're gonna let that guy cook, but here are the ingredients that go into this. I've used almond flour instead of regular flour. That way this becomes a more gluten-free type of waffle. I've also used a little bit of coconut sugar, and to help me keep them light, I've used cornstarch. And another thing about these waffles is you can serve them either sweet or savory. So you could use maple syrup, or you could top it with an avocado type of salsa, maybe even a fried egg. There's lots of ways to enjoy these. So we're just waiting for the green light to go on now. Look at those. Aren't those gorgeous? I'm so excited about these. These are just like the avocado salad dressing. These are a real game changer. So you could put a little tiny bit of maple syrup on it, which would be delicious in a traditional waffle style. Or you could use a salsa and serve them in a more savory style. And both of those look delicious.